Every journey begins at the source, where nature sets the standard. Only fully mature fruit is chosen, one by one.
Consistency begins with careful selection.
Harvest follows a rhythm shaped by experience.
Protection at this stage preserves quality later.
Problems are removed before they can travel further.
Harvest becomes volume, ready to move. Speed matters, but care matters more.
From the field, the journey to the factory begins.
Freshness now depends on time and control.
Field harvest meets organized logistics.
Every movement is minimized to protect the fruit.
Distance is short, but precision is critical. Temperature and timing stay under constant watch. Small readings decide final quality.
The factory waits, already in motion.
Raw harvest meets industrial precision.
This is where agriculture meets engineering.
Every process ahead is designed for control. Handling replaces harvesting.
Movement now follows a fixed path.
Scale transforms volume into efficiency.
The first inspection happens immediately.
Automation wakes up. From here, the process never stops. Surface impurities are removed immediately. Cleanliness begins with force and precision. Delicate surfaces demand controlled contact.
On the principal land, moisture is removed to protect the next stage.
Human judgment still matters.
Nothing is wasted, only redirected.
Uniformity is engineered.
Precision begins at the blade.
Every cut is measured.
The core is removed without loss.
What remains is pure potential.
Human accuracy completes the machine's work.
Gravity keeps the process flowing.
Texture starts to change.
Smoothness is engineered, not assumed. The mango is no longer a fruit. Stability is essential before transformation.
Conditions are adjusted, not guessed.
Heat changes everything.
Safety is built into the process.
Balance is restored.
Uniformity is enforced. Every batch confirms the standard. The process never pauses. Automation takes control. Machines now take the lead.
Precision replaces approximation.
Every unit is verified instantly.
Consistency is programmed.
Failure is removed before it travels.
Cleanliness runs alongside production.
Oversight keeps automation human.
Speed and order coexist.
The product nears completion. Identity is applied with precision. Every unit carries its purpose. Traceability is permanent. Mistakes are caught instantly. Accuracy is proven, not assumed. Protection adds durability. Human eyes make the final call. Order prepares for scale.
Completion is close.
Before leaving the line, everything is verified.
Quality is checked, not assumed.
Testing begins in controlled conditions.
Safety is measured at the microscopic level.
Consistency has a number. Balance defines flavor and shelf life. Only approved product moves forward.
The line opens to storage.
Individual units become global volume.
Stability protects the journey ahead. Storage preserves readiness.
Demand decides direction.
The final handover begins.
Easy now, straight back, that's good. Cold chain continuity is maintained.
And this is how modern factories produce mango products from start to finish.
From field to shipment, every step counts.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.